Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing this very extra, very loud eye look. I say extra and loud because recently I've been trying to do the whole natural thing where things are sort of like muted and pretty but not like in your face, and this is pretty in your face, like yeah, would you believe I'm not going anywhere? Pretty much always the case, but it's fine, it's whatever. Who's bothered? We're basically going to be using this Wow eyeshadow palette. It has 18 colors and each pan is 1.5 grams. I mean, does this not look like a Huda Beauty dupe? It's got my fingers in it because I was swatching things. I would definitely go and get my hands on it because it's really nice. I really like it. This, I think, is probably my third time using it. I just wanted to sort of get a feel for it, see what it can do. I think it's a pretty versatile palette. You can do like quite a few looks. I think the only thing you can't really do are cool toned looks. But if I'm being honest, that doesn't really bother me because I'm not a cool toned gal. I mean, I might like some like cool toned lips, but I think that's different. I like warm tones on my eyes. I think they just work better for me. I've always just kind of gravitated towards them. So this is a win in my book. I would recommend to get it. It's about like, I think 180, 190. Got it at my pharmacy. Super nice. Go get it. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to let you get right into the video because I can see over there it says 2 minutes and I've been rambling for a hot minute, so enjoy that. So today we're going to play with my 18 shades of Wow palette. I've done my eyebrows already as is per usual, but we're going to prime today because I wanted to. So I tested this Protection Emulsion Face Base from MINISO. And we tested this already on my skin, and honestly I'm quite happy with it as a primer for like my face. But I want to see how it, I guess, performs when we're playing with eyeshadow. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna grab some. Again, this shit comes out looking like sunblock. Literally looks like sunblock. It's okay. Cool. We're going to start in the crease and we're going to use this like super light brownie color. I would have gone in with that, but I don't really want a beige, so we're gonna do super brown. Just gonna stamp it in. I don't know if you guys can see any differencing happening. It's actually like a super subtle brown, and I guess because I am brown. Oh, no, never mind. I can see it now. Can you see it? I don't know. But we're just gonna pack it on over there. We're just gonna, blend that out. Nice little, tight but gentle circular motions. We're going to go and we're going to grab this brown now, and we're also going to put that in the crease, just deepen it a bit. We'll try not to go where the lighter brown is like at the highest point, I guess. I don't know. We're just going to try and blend that over it a little bit. Also into the crease, but a little bit lower. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's definitely deepened it in comparison. That brown here. And we're gonna just with the V's, and maybe we'll add black later if I feel like it. tapping it in there. So I really want to focus it there on that outer V. Yep, just gonna blend mildly. Bring it in a little. I'm gonna grab that, and we're just gonna, I guess, deepen this part here. Oh, yeah, there we go, right there. Just gonna pat that in at an angle. And we will take the brown brush and come back to blend it. I'm not going to add any more of the brown product to this brush. We're just going to blend whatever's left on the brush and the brown above into the black and the black into the brown and stuff. Just soften them edges. Nyana. So we've got these two shimmers, and I'm just, I think we're gonna, with this more pinky toned one. Okay, I have it. We'll just, do that and look up so I know where to stop it. Same brush that had the black, we're just going to blend that, thing over there on the ends. Just because we're kind of looking, pat it in. Oh, that's, wow. That's a nice shimmer. Like, damn, son. I don't know. Wow. I don't even know if you guys can see that or see what I'm seeing at the very least. I'm like, wow. This is nice. This is very nice. Again, I know. With that brush that had the brown, still not adding any more product. We're just gonna sort of blend that edge here. Make it to be one. Okay guys, so I'm back. I did my lower lash with black, and then I used this shimmer color in my tear duct. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the color. I'm just gonna quickly swatch all of these like sort of shimmery things on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down here, and then we've got these shimmers 1, 2, 3, which I'm going to swatch for you now. We're gonna swatch those, I think, on the inside of my arm because I don't got the spice on the other side. But yeah, 1, 2, 3. They're also really nice. This is the one we have on our eyes right now. I found that, like, I don't know, swatches always come off different. But yeah, I'm also going to quickly swatch a couple of the mattes so that you can see what they're looking like. I'm gonna grab that black over there. I'm gonna grab this color over here. I'm gonna grab this pink over here too. I'm gonna take this brown. I feel like I should take, I'm gonna take this really light color. The shadows themselves don't actually have names, so you just point at it like that one. This is what it's looking like on my hand right now. It looks super pigmented. And that's the black. Those are some of the masks. This is the general, I guess, formula of them. They're quite nice. They're buildable. They blend out quite nicely. I think the only issue I really had was that for some odd reason, when I tried to do a look sometime back with this pink and this pink, they just sort of blended into each other. Maybe it was like a me problem. Could definitely be a me problem. So I'll definitely, I guess, give it a go again. But it's a super nice palette. It looks great. Yeah, you guys can tell me in the comments if you like the look, if you don't like the look. Also tag me on Instagram if you use the palette. My Instagram is @MissAnachirase. I would really like to see how it worked for you guys, what you thought of it, what looks you created. Maybe I'll like pick one and recreate it on YouTube if you guys feel like that's a good idea. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you did not like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe anyways. Hit the notification bell so that YouTube tells you when I do things. I'm trying to be better about like my consistency and about my posting, and I'm working on it. I have like a couple of videos that I'm trying to edit like all at once, so I think my consistency will be better. I don't know how long it'll be better for, but you know, we're hoping for the best. The girl's got a young bout of motivation, so she's feeling better about it.